The All Jaiñtia Muster Roll Workers and Labour Union CEC, in coordination with the All Meghalaya Muster Roll Workers and Labour Union, convened a state-level meeting on the 22nd of November 2025 to deliberate on long-pending grievances affecting muster roll and casual workers. Hundreds of workers from across Meghalaya attended the meeting, where they voiced concerns over the government's failure to implement the floor rate, the absence of maternity leave provisions, and other key welfare measures. Following detailed discussions, the unions resolved to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. They wanted that if their demands were not addressed by the 10th of December this year, they would launch an agitation. The unions also announced the formation of a joint action committee to coordinate future actions and strengthen their collective push for workers' rights.
Long live Muslim! Muslim! Kanigan simti nodo mentagas ni banlay pelong ya kajing yalang sa baro ki district headquarters ken ai kajing tho sa chief minister hakine kisngi banwan nagabanta banbo ya kajing karpar ko jongi how chief minister komno bisnga holor kani himanjur na mengindon ke joint action committee ha manjur kita sedin biasnya manjur to ila manjur ban traikam bandan ke joint action committee jong ki master workers union kane ke union kane ke committee kan traikam nado menta kasni bat kan kut ke traikam jong ka hagalai huai tarik ubanai march 2000 reu biang lambiang hagani ki banai ito ki jingdawa ki bagila rai nang ne kindai ki mat ki bakane ka committee kan tani ka bor bar kan tani ki boj ki budia ka jongki kinwar ki lap ki lanti ban penor long da ka bangin ya trai rangka baru chief minister bat ka sarkar jalla bat ki officers baro biang lambiang ya to andrai ban kor ro ya ka jinglong bareu ko